Hello guys, this is Raju here, welcoming you to my channel. This is the project which I had done earlier, X5 plotter which I had assembled, and I am calibrating this one repeatedly, and this is the sketch I am going to draw. Already I have drawn it. This is how it looks. Twice I have drawn and I am trying to perfect the system. Now I want to calibrate it once again and see what are the problems which I am going to face. So I'll just put it on the stand here and do it in extempore. Yeah, here it goes. I think it is visible. I'm going to add this paper. It should be fine. Let this support this side. I will clean the pen tip. Sometimes this gets dried if it is not used for a long time. Right, here we go. I will activate my UGS. Excuse me. I'll give you a closer look. It is dotted. My older sketch drawn earlier. The X and Y plotter. I had built it some time back and I am evaluating it repeatedly to fix the flaws. A very rudimentary system. Y-axis motors. The servo controlling this pen. For some reason which I am unable to understand, this is shuddering for no reason, I don't know. And I request anyone who is watching, any experts, to give me a comment on this one. Now it is pen down condition continuously. Now the pen is down and the drawing the sketch. In this situation, you should have remained silent. Okay. Instead, it is creating some problem. I do not know what is the issue with this one. This is the driver assembly. There is no loose contact or any such thing. Probably there is a pickup on the data line, or there may be some flaw in the verbal configuration. So any experts who are watching this video, may please kindly comment on this issue. I want to fix this thing. It is a bit annoying, otherwise it is not causing any problem in the drawing as well. Everything is coming out nicely. Maybe the pen is getting a bit dried out. Pen tip. These are the earlier two drawings. Both came almost perfectly. Just I wanted to highlight this servo problem. So I want an expert comment from someone out there who has left down these, the people who are experimenting on CNC machines. So please help me out to fix this problem. This sound is a bit annoying, but I want to know the reason why it is happening. What I think is it must be the wobble configuration issue, or there is a pickup on this data line of this servo motor. The data input for this calibration data is going to this one. With M03 and M05 commands, now it is M05 S00, the pen down condition. So this is happening. With the servo command M03 S80, it tips the pin properly and everything is fine. So now it is a continuous pen down condition. This is happening. I just want to solve this issue. So I am doing a lot of R&D on this machine which I have built, and I am going to improve the fixtures at a later stage. I have done these things too complicated. Coupling of this lead screw to the x-axis and y-axis assemblies. At that time I did it in extempore. I started doing it and started assembling creating the sub-assemblies as I proceeded. So just experimental piece. I want this to perfect this system. It is almost completed. Doing something else. Something is missing in this drawing. This is the old drawing. This portion has been drawn, and I think, yeah, this portion is missing. Hope it is going to draw this. Yes, there you are. Except for this, everything seems to be fine. There is some error here. So something has happened. It is a bit offset here. I do not know what happened. Some glitch in the command, or something has slipped, maybe the coupling. So these are the issues which I am going to fix at a later stage. That's why I am repeatedly testing this one. I think that's it. Yeah, this is what I wanted. I was expecting it should do some error and I should work on it. So I should know it is not a cakewalk. Yeah, it has done some mistake here. And here I understand the pen dried out here probably. So something happened here. And here the earlier, this is a perfect one. And first 2 times it gave a perfect thing. So it is just an inverted image here, sketch. So it has done some mistakes. Yes, here the third trial run. Maybe the linearity or there is some alignment issue. which I'm going to work on it. And meanwhile, please help me in resolving this servo issue. Now it is M03, the last command, M03 S80. So it has lifted the pen, and that's fine. While the pen continues down condition, this is wobbling, or it's sort of that lever is vibrating, which I think is a wobble issue or some electrical interference on the data line of this data input of this servo motor. Okay, this I am will work on it. Please help me out to resolve this issue. And there seems to be some other mechanical issue also, which I am going to work on it. I want this machine to do mistakes so that I can perfect it. So still I have not declared it as perfect. So once everything is resolved, then I'm going to reconstruct this whole thing by improving these things. Probably there could be some errors, lateral errors, maybe that's the reason here. X-axis coupling to the lead screw. There's a guide here. There may be a lateral error while moving here and there, up and down. It's same the case with the y-axis here. So that I have to resolve it. Thank you for watching, and please comment on this particular issue. I expect a comment from all the experts who are working on this field, and please help me out. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel. I wish to interact with experts to perfect this machine, right? Thank you very much.